Today we're going to be playing Valentine Abby, but you're a dog. And also like and subscribe if you like puppies. Comment and share if you like birdies more than puppies.
Those birds are really cute.
Yeah, well they are messy.
No, they're not.
They are, they poo-poo everywhere.
Well, not in my house.
Because you're the booty king. Exactly.
Yes, the booty queen.
The booty king.
No, I'm not a boy.
You are a boy.
Why?
I don't know. You're a little boy. You have short hair.
No, I don't.
You do.
No,
You don't know that you have short hair.
I don't.
You do. I can literally see. Wait, why does this dog walk so weirdly?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
I can't go anywhere. I guess so. Okay, that's weird. Can I ever go backwards? Oh, I can. But for now, I don't want to go backwards. Yeah, let's just jump onto these stars. Ah, I almost died. The doggy almost died. I don't want my doggy to die.
Why?
Because then I'm going to start at the very beginning.
No, you won't.
You will.
No, you won't.
Let's just keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Yeet. I almost fell into the void. Okay, let's just keep going. Oh, they're disappearing? That was hard. They were disappearing. What the heck? Official UCG you can use in any game. Dog, Saint Bernard. It's doggy. Or dog, husky, whale. Ooh, a dog?
I'm leaving, Sissy.
Oh, you need wins. 13, 12, 11, Christmas pass. Okay. I'm on a husky. So 2 wins. I have to win this game 2 times to get a husky. The husky is so cute. Oh, so don't touch the pink. I did not know that. Oh, so you don't touch the red. Oh, I'm so dumb. I don't even know which one to not touch. Let's go. Go. What?
Dad gave us.
What did he give us? Oh, baby,
What?
that's the thing that I wanted to get from Walmart.
Oh, but look inside of it.
They're grape flavored.
I did not know that.
I wanted to buy that. And Papa said he'll buy it another day. I guess he wasn't lying. Give me one.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, we're talking about icebreakers.
Yeah. Talking about
Ooh,
ice
yum.
breakers.
It's so good.
Let me try. So good.
It's the best.
I don't eat this every day. I will never see it again.
Yeah.
Emma. And our mom will eat it all.
Yeah. 'Cause she loves gum for some reason.
Yeah.
No, my puppy died. Oh. Go, go, go. Do you know why I'm such an expert at Roblox?
I know.
Because I've trained with my big sister. So I was playing Find the Cat, and then I just randomly became an expert at it.
Oh.
No, I'm such an expert at this. I don't have any friends. But if you know Bella with black hair and a screaming mouth, and like, ah, and shocked, if you know her name, then please comment her name in the comments.
Yeah.
Because if you do, then I'll be able to find my big sister to play with.
Why?
And then I can make even better videos.
Why?
Because with my big sister, it's way more fun. Okay, so it's this one. This one. This one. No. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay.
No.
So
Left, right.
goes like
Left,
this.
right.
What? At the end, it just confuses you.
Yeah. At the end, is it?
We finally. Oh, wait. I don't know why, but the dog doesn't actually get killed. It just goes randomly just into the floor.
Icebreakers are so yummy.
Yeah.
We love them. Comment down below if you like icebreakers,
Yeah.
because we love them.
Yeah. This dog looks sad, and I don't like it. But it's okay. I still like him. So this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.